you today how you can create a free membership with using my link. So what you'll do is once you go to linkup.jifu.com, that's linkup.jifu, Jifu.com, you will scroll down, you'll come to my affiliate website, you'll scroll down where it says Jifu Travel, and here you'll see, let me move this a little bit so it's not in the way. You'll see the friends and family access start a free trial. Super easy. You click on here. And then it's going to prompt you to enter your email address. So I have created a dummy account that I use just for reference on how to set up your free account. You're signing up as a free trial pass user. Click continue. It's going to prompt me to a welcome back page because I've already previously filled out the information. But all it's going to ask you to create is just give your name, an email, create a password, and there's no credit card required, which is super cool. So you never have to worry about any charges. Okay, I'm going to click continue. Put in the wrong password. Let's see if that's correct. All right, so it's going to bring me to my now free free customer, I guess you can say, website. I'm going to go to my account. And this is the back office. So in the back office, I can get orders, I can look at my membership, I can look at my payment methods, I can upgrade to a Jifu affiliate account if I wanted to. And then here I would click to the Jifu go to web office, and it's going to take me to the page where I can log in to start booking my travel. So it's going to take me to the travel portal. So I'm just going to click here. And also before I go there, you can also see there's a support center. If you have any questions, you can always get help here. If you wanted to upgrade your membership, you can click here. So I'm going to click on the Start Travel button. So what it's going to take me to the travel portal where I'll be able to start booking my travel. Also with the free membership, you get cars, activities, you can book transport and lounges, and of course the hotels. So where is your next adventure taking you? So you can put in here any destination, check in, check out. If you need more rooms, how many adults, kids, and you can do a search. But I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm going to keep it at 1 room for 2 adults. And I am just going to click on Orlando. While we wait, why Jifu? Because there's 1,000,000+ properties where you can save anywhere in the world. Okay, so I'm going to select the dates. Let's say November 20th to November 24th. Okay, and it's going to find me the best deals. And it's going to filter from the higher percentage that I saved to the lower percentage. And you'll take a look at that right now. So that's what I love about Jifu, is that you don't have to go hunting for the best deals. It's going to hunt for you. You just have to put in the name of the hotel that you're going to, or the city and the location that you're going to, and it'll just pop up for you. So here it gives me Westgate Lake Resorts in Orlando, Florida with a 25% discount. The public price with tax is about $1,162. So if you come down here, you can see the compare public prices. So they get that from Expedia, Hotels.com, cheap tickets, Travelocity, Orbitz, Hotwire. This is where Jifu grabs their public price with tax. So they've already done that work for you. When you have a Jifu free trial membership, you get a Jifu discount of $296. So your Jifu price with taxes is $866. So that comes out to about $116 a night. Now you can save an extra $296 when you join Jifu. So the nice thing about this is that you're saving $296 without having to pay any type of membership, right? But if you do decide to join Jifu, then with the membership, then you would save a $296 extra. I mean, that's $296 extra in your pocket, or for shopping, or for amenities while at your vacation. Another bonus for being an affiliate is by me sharing my link and you coming in here and booking your travel, what you save, your discount, that $296, I get as a bonus just for sharing my link. So that's pretty awesome. And that's why I love Jifu. I get to share my link, you save money, I make money. And if you decide that you also want to save money, then you can join as a Jifu affiliate. And it gives you different resorts, hotels that you can go to. So if you wanted something something like Holiday Inn, something less expensive, something that's like half of the West Gate. It's about $57 a night. You still save $173, and for that 4-night stay, it's about $591 to stay at the Holiday Inn Orlando Celebration area in the IHG Hotel. Now, let's say you wanted to go into Expedia and you wanted to compare yourself. I would also do that. I would recommend you cross-reference. You want to make sure that you get the best deals. But that's how easy it is. If you wanted to book cars, you can. Let me show you really quick. You can pick your location, pickup date, what time, your age, and you have the ability to book cars from any of these brands. Also, if you wanted to book some activities while on vacation in Orlando, I know there's like Orlando Disney, there's so many things, Universal Studios, so many activities. You can just click on here and it'll show you the available activities prices, or you can simply search on the activity bar, start and end date, and do your search. Transport and lounges. You'll see here you can also look for those, you can search here whatever you want to do, start and finish. Like if you wanted to take like a little, let's see, like you needed to transport, like, if you didn't rent a car, you needed to go somewhere, it'll find it here for you. But here I'm showing you really quick, finding the best deals. So if you wanted like a private transfer, like I said, it would be $166, like from the airport or the hotel, right? Like a shuttle service, right? You can do that here. All right. And then you see this box here says, hello, do you need help with existing reservations, or do you need assistance with creating a new reservation? Well, the nice thing is you got your own contact to help you if you have questions or you're not seeing what you need, and they will be able to help you there. So I hope this was helpful, how easy it is to book your travel using my travel link. It's super easy, and I hope you enjoy. Happy travels. Bye now.